Somewhere in the western Pacific Ocean lies the deepest place on Earth. A place so hostile that, for decades, scientists believed life couldn't survive there. No sunlight, near freezing temperatures, crushing pressure more than 1,000 times greater than at sea level. Yet, thousands of extraordinary creatures call this world home. You're watching Wild Files, and today, we're descending nearly 11 kilometers into the Mariana Trench to discover how life survives where it was once thought impossible. The Mariana Trench is the deepest known part of Earth's ocean. Stretching for over 2,500 kilometers through the western Pacific, it was formed millions of years ago, where the Pacific Plate slowly sinks beneath the smaller Mariana Plate. At its deepest point, Challenger Deep reaches nearly 10,935 meters below sea level. So deep that if Mount Everest were placed inside, its summit would still remain more than 2 kilometers underwater. As we descend, sunlight quickly fades away. Temperatures drop to just 1 to 4 degrees Celsius. Food becomes increasingly scarce. But the greatest challenge is pressure. Every 10 meters deeper adds another atmosphere of pressure. By the time we reach Challenger Deep, every square centimeter is being crushed by roughly 1 metric ton of force. That's more than 1,000 times the pressure at sea level. For many years, scientists believed nothing could survive these conditions. Such immense pressure crushes air-filled spaces, distorts proteins, and disrupts the chemistry every living cell depends on. Without sunlight, photosynthesis is impossible. Leaving very little food to support life, the deep ocean seemed completely uninhabitable. But nature had other plans. In 1960, Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh became the first humans to reach Challenger Deep aboard the bathyscaphe Trieste. Near the bottom, they reported seeing what they believed was a flatfish, the first sign that life might exist at Earth's deepest point. Although scientists later questioned the identification, the discovery sparked decades of exploration. The first 200 meters of the ocean are known as the sunlight zone. Nearly all marine life depends on this layer, where sunlight powers photosynthesis and supports coral reefs, fish, and countless other organisms. Beyond 200 meters lies the twilight zone. Only faint traces of sunlight remain. Many animals develop enormous eyes to capture every possible photon, while others begin producing their own light. Creatures such as the lanternfish, hatchetfish, and vampire squid can be found here. At 1,000 meters, sunlight disappears forever, and comes the midnight zone, a world of permanent darkness. Here, bioluminescence becomes one of nature's greatest survival tools. Hidden within the blackness are extraordinary creatures, including the anglerfish, dragonfish, and gulper eel. Hidden within these depths is one of the ocean's greatest legends, the giant squid. Growing over 12 meters long, it has evolved enormous eyes, among the largest in the animal kingdom, allowing it to detect the faintest traces of light in the endless darkness. By 4,000 meters, temperatures hover just above freezing, revealing the abyssal zone. The Mariana Trench begins here. Food arrives only as a slow rain of organic particles, known as marine snow. Yet even here, sea cucumbers, tripod fish, and giant amphipods continue to thrive. One of the ocean's greatest mysteries is deep-sea gigantism. At these depths, while many creatures become smaller to conserve energy, others evolve into giants. Giant amphipods grow far larger than their shallow water relatives, while the legendary giant squid and colossal squid rank among the largest invertebrates on Earth. Scientists believe the freezing temperatures, slow metabolism, long lifespans, and fewer predators may all play a role. But the true cause remains a mystery. Beyond 6,000 meters begins the Hadal Zone, the deepest and least explored environment on Earth. This is the realm of the Mariana Trench. Beyond 8,000 meters lies the extreme Hadal Zone. Here lives the Mariana snailfish, the deepest fish ever recorded. Its soft body, flexible skeleton, and unique adaptations allow it to survive pressures that would instantly crush most other fish. Nearly 11 kilometers below the surface, we finally arrive at Challenger Deep, the deepest known point on Earth. This is also the deepest place ever visited by humans. Even here, where darkness has existed for millions of years, and food is almost non-existent, life persists in microbial forms. Surviving here isn't easy. Soft, flexible bodies help these animals withstand the crushing pressure, while the absence of air-filled organs prevents them from collapsing in the deep. With almost no food available, many rely on tiny particles called marine snow, slowly drifting down from the surface. In one of the harshest places on Earth, every adaptation can mean the difference between life and death. The Mariana Trench isn't just the deepest place on Earth. It's a reminder of how little we truly know about our own planet. Every expedition reveals species never seen before. And scientists believe countless more remain hidden in the darkness. While humanity has walked on the moon, much of our own ocean remains unexplored. Somewhere, beneath nearly 11 kilometers of water, the next incredible discovery may already be waiting.